master's degree in education for basic education labor and software engineering, coding instructor, online instructor, and I have worked in China as a teacher for 5 years. And I will be your guide as I walk you through today's program when it comes to IT. Now let's all say thank you, YF, and 1, 2, 3, go. They have given us this opportunity to tell you all about IT. Now, before I continue, I have a special giveaway. Say giveaway. The giveaway is the first student who is going to answer my question is going to get 100 Ghana cedis. So pay attention as we walk through. All right.
Stand out and be exceptional in it.
Yes, Mama.
Ciao, ciao.
Yes, raise your hands. No, raise your hands.